Thank you, Aquadoc, for sponsoring this video.
Most pool owners clean their cartridge filters all wrong, and it really shortens the life of their filter. Today I'm going to show you the step-by-step method I use to get my cartridge filters sparkling clean in just about an hour. Plus I'll reveal a common cleaning mistake that almost every pool owner makes and how a simple rinse could ruin your filters if done the wrong way. Stick around to see the exact process that keeps my water crystal clear. Cartridge filters trap dirt, debris, and oils that get into your pool water. A clogged filter will reduce flow, increase chemical use, and stress your pump. Cleaning properly extends the life of the filter and keeps your water healthy and clear, so there's no cloudy surprises in the swim season. So how do you know when to clean them? Well, first, check your pressure gauge. When it rises about 8 to 10 psi above normal, it's time. And you can also inspect the pleats visually. If they look clogged, clean them. Regular cleaning every few weeks or at least once a month will prevent headaches later. Always start with a pump off and the air release from the system. Carefully remove the cartridge filters and check for any frays, tears, or soft spots. A damaged cartridge filter will not clean your pool effectively. Next, soak your cartridges in a filter cleaner solution. I use Aquadoc's Spa and Pool Filter Cleaner. It's fast acting and it breaks down oil and debris. You're going to fill a bucket with water and your solution and fully submerge your filter. So I'm going to put 5 quarts in because you want to use 1 quart per every 5 gallons of water that you're using. You want to make sure that you agitate the water too once you get your solution in there. And I usually just do this with the first filter that I put in, making sure that it stirs the water around pretty good. And then I'm going to put more filters in. Now you can see why I only put 20 gallons of water in to begin with. I'll fill up the other 5. The volume of the filters takes up the other water, and that's how we get away with having them covered to the top, but only using 25 gallons worth of water. And this extra water that you add will further agitate this solution once it's in there. I'm being careful not to put this directly on the pleats also, just so that you know you don't want to damage your pleats by spraying water that close to them that's on that high of a pressure. Now we're going to let this soak for about an hour, gently agitating it every so often. I just do that by giving it a little bit of a whirl around there. Because my ground isn't exactly level, it makes sure that the water gets to every part of the filters. It's already to the top of the bucket, but on this side, maybe that much. By the end, your filters will look visibly cleaner and ready for a thorough rinse. This soak not only loosens dirt, but it reduces oils that can build up over time, making your rinsing process more effective and preventing damage to your pleats. If you want to extend your pool's filter life, this is the stuff to do it with. And if you had any doubt about how effective this filter rinse was, just look at how dirty the water coming out of this bucket is. I mean, it's completely disgusting. After soaking, rinse the filter thoroughly. Use a hose and a spinning device like this one to flush debris from the pleats. Rotating the cartridge using a device like this one reduces strain on your back and ensures a complete rinse. You want to make sure that the water runs completely clear before you reinstall the filters. And remember the common mistake. Using high pressure water before degreasing can damage your pleats and shorten the life of your filter. When you reinstall, replace your worn O-rings and lubricate them. Reinsert your cartridges, seal the housing, and reprime the system. Turn the pump on, check for leaks, and watch the pressure return to normal. I don't know if you remember what a disaster this filter looked like when I started the process, but you can see what a difference using a product like Aquadoc's filter cleaner and a simple tool like this spinning device makes when you clean your filters. Now, a couple of tips and some pitfalls to avoid. Start with the gentlest cleaning method first. Avoid bending the pleats. Track your baseline pressure to know when cleaning is necessary. And regular maintenance is always easier than waiting until it's fully clogged. And remember the mistake I mentioned earlier. Don't use high pressure water before degreasing or you could damage the pleats. Small, more efficient cleanings are far more effective than occasional deep scrubs. And they keep your filter lasting longer. Occasionally, a stronger soak may be necessary, but only after degreasing. Follow all instructions and rinse thoroughly afterwards, but this is a last resort, not a regular step. Proper cleaning keeps your pool water clear and your filters lasting longer. Try these steps and let me know in the comments how your filters look afterwards. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more pool care tips. I want to thank our sponsor Aquadoc once again, and links to everything I used are down below in the description. Using those helps the channel and I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.